OtoTrak, rentals made safe. Every rental centre owner encounters the same problems whilst renting out jet skis. Traditional methods of controlling rented jet skis offer no security, management or supervision, therefore representing huge danger at sea. Speeding jet skis near the coast and dangerous driving amongst these watercrafts definitely is a big problem for all owners and staff, because once you rent a jet ski out, it's as good as unattended. Only a momentary lack of attention can result in disaster. Rental centre staff or owners cannot accurately assess the distance between watercrafts or the coast, because at the time of rental, the jet ski is up to 3 nautical miles away from the rental centre. This also means that while renting out several watercrafts of the same brand or colour, it is impossible to assess which jet ski is near the coast, speeding, or should be remotely shut down. All these situations make our daily work very stressful, dangerous, and uncertain. OtoTrak is an innovative, technologically advanced solution packed with the latest gadgets of today. The OtoTrak system consists of OtoTrak modules, a server application, and iPhone/iPad applications. Oto server applications accepts data from remote Oto modules and serves it to the iPhone applications. The server application is also responsible for managing all aspects of jet ski controls, constraints, and statistics. Upon receipt of data from the modules, a detailed analysis plan is executed, followed by a specific action. This action set is based on predefined parameters. Oto module is connected directly to battery power and is under constant voltage. It is configured to send the following information to the server. The application's main menu offers links to several screens, such as the jet ski status screen, the manual control screen, and geo-positioning. Via these screens, the user has the ability to manually control speed limits, activate alarms, or turn the jet ski on or off. Upon leaving the rental centre, the iPhone application detects which jet ski has been switched on. The staff then decides whether to activate the rental timer or to assign it one of the service functions. If a regular rental period is selected due to the location of the jet ski within GeoZone 1, OtoTrak server sends a command to the module limiting the speed. As soon as the watercraft enters the rental zone, the limit is automatically lifted, and the jet skis drive freely. If any of the rented jet skis exit the allowed rental zone, the Oto server automatically limits its speed, which remains active until it returns to the allowed zone. The Oto server continuously receives information about the speed and position of every watercraft. If 2 or more rented jet skis are at the distance of less than 50 meters and at speeds faster than 15 kilometers per hour, the server automatically activates a corresponding speed limit. The speed limit is active until the jet skis move away to a safe distance. 60 seconds before the rental period ends, the OtoTrak server sends a command to the jet ski that activates a sound warning. The alarm repeats every 20 seconds until the watercraft has returned to the rental center. The iPhone application offers constant insight into these parameters. Locating the jet ski on Google Earth Maps is also possible via the iPhone application. This is especially useful when all visual contact with the watercraft is lost. For the purposes of daily business overview and monitoring, all of the rides are recorded in an SQL database and later available for review by the owners. Statistics are reported for the following. Daily statistics include evaluation of the following parameters. OtoTrak. Keep your rental business on the right track.